Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that there is not a huge glare on my face. There might be with these glasses on, but I wore them to school, so if I take them off right now, I have like the glasses marked. So yeah, I hope they're working. We'll see. But today I thought that I would film my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of September. This month was Boxyluxe, as you can tell by the size of this gigantic box. So I guess I will just go ahead and get into everything that was in my box this month. I came home and got in comfy clothes, as you can tell. I was like, I'm done, I'm out of here. Let me put on some shorts because it's so hot. Alright, so the first thing that I will talk about in my box was I got this Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It's got some neutral shades but some pops as well. I like the Violet Voss eyeshadows. They're not the best, they're not my favorite, but they are good. I know that I'm not going to use this palette because I have literally a ton. So what I'm going to do is save this for a giveaway, but I just wanted to show you that this is what I got in my box, and this retails for $29. The next thing I got in my box this month was the Dr. Brandt Hydrobionic Recovery Sleeping Mask, and I love sleeping masks because it's something I can just put on my face and sleep and just let it work its magic while I'm asleep, and I like to sleep for a long time. So I'm going to pop this open. It's a little tube. It's like very small, but this retails for $52, so I hope it works some magic. It's supposed to be good for redness and irritation and stuff like that, so after I do like chemical peels, I think this would be awesome to really just make sure that that new skin that you're exposing is really hydrated and plump. So I will try that one out and let y'all know. The next thing I got was this Hank and Henry Blackety Black eyeliner. It's just a felt tip or a brush tip applicator. You can hear the bead inside of it shaking the formula. I'm not going to open this yet and swatch it because I don't want it to dry up, and I actually might end up putting this in a giveaway as well. I'm not entirely sure. I tend to use gel eyeliners, or if I'm doing like a wing, which is when I would use something like this, I use the Vamp stamp liner, and I really like that. So I'm not entirely sure. You might see that in a future giveaway as well, but that retails for $20. And then the next thing I got was this Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Angelo, and this retails for $22, and it's just a very light nude shade. I have not tried, well, I take that back. I have one of the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipsticks, and it was in like, it's in a bright coral shade, and it just didn't last well, and it was really clumpy. I don't know if that was just because it was such a bright, vibrant shade, so I might have to try this out. Again, this might be something that ends up in a giveaway, so stay tuned. But a lot of people love this formula. I'm just not. I used to be on the liquid lipstick train, like big time, but I don't know. With fall coming around, I might be again. We'll just have to wait and see. The next thing I got was this Tarte Park Avenue Princess bronzing palette, and this, y'all, I was so excited about this. I was so pumped. I was hoping to get the Clay Play palette too, but I didn't. I just got this. But look at this packaging. It is seriously stunning. Like, it's the most beautiful. I love it. It doesn't open all the way like flat, like it props up like this. I prefer things that lay flat, but that's just me. But it's such a pretty, you've got two highlight shades for under your eyes that are matte, and then you've got bronzers in different shades. This one seems to be more of a satin, and then you've got two mattes and then more of a shimmer. But I'm excited to test this out. I just dug my finger in it. I love bronzer. It's like my favorite step in makeup, like seriously, and I go heavy-handed with it. I'm really excited to test this out. I do like that all of these shades should work. depending on what you want. If you want something a little bit more sculpted or a little bit more bronzy, a little bit more glowy, like you could use a variation of all these shades and just determine how heavy-handed you put it on. It's not like the Kat Von D, which is so specific to your skin tone. So I'm excited to test that one out. This and the eyeshadow palette both came extremely protected in like heavy-duty bubble wrap, which I can appreciate. So yeah, I'm excited to test that out as well. This retails for $45, which is almost the price of the box, and this makes it worth it to me because I was so excited about this. So excited. Okay. And then the next thing I got, this is the Glow Recipe Pineapple Seed Brighten Serum, and it's supposed to help your skin like brighten and smooth. And I am on a big skincare kick right now. Like the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty is going on, and yeah, I've bought some makeup stuff, but I will tell you, the majority of the things that I have bought have been skincare. So I don't know why I am on this big skincare kick, but I can tell you that some of the changes that I've made have made a major difference in my skin, and I'm very happy and impressed. And it might not look that way on camera right now, but I promise it is. I only have on powder foundation, and I picked at my face, so we'll accept it. But anyway, it's like got like a pineapple-y vibe down here, missing the leaves of course, but I'm excited for this. It's just a serum, and it comes out, it's kind of got yellowy, and it smells kind of like pineapple juice added to skincare. So I assume that it's got some pineapple in here, hence why it's called a pineapple serum. But I'm excited about that. I'm excited to test it out and try it and see what I think and how I feel. That also, this retails for $49. This was another product that I was so excited about that made it worth the price of the box for me, the upgrade. Okay. And then the next thing I got, this is the Surratt Beauty Clipless Curling Iron. So it's like a wand, okay? And it has a cooling tip. So I guess you're not supposed to be able to burn your fingers with it. And it is 32 millimeters or 1.5 inches. Let's see. I'm going to open it up just to see how big it is. I love my dry bar curling wand that I use, so it's really hard for me to know that if I'll use this or not. So this might also be in a giveaway. We'll just see. It's a large curling wand. I'm sure it'll give you more waves than actual curls. It does not have a temperature gauge on here. You just turn it on or off, and it gets as hot as it's going to get. You cannot control how hot this gets, which is another thing that I don't love, because I know like my hair has to have more heat, and then my extensions have to have a certain amount of heat as well for them to style the correct way and hold a curl the correct way, if that makes sense. So I don't know, it's a good product to get. It's a very expensive product. This retails for $65, which is awesome. I just don't know, honestly, if it's perfect for me. We'll see. I might try it out. I might not. Sometimes I gotta sleep on things like that and decide later on if it's worth it for me. Okay? And then the last thing that I got in my box this month was the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. Okay, and this is a leave-in conditioning balm that's not supposed to weigh your hair down, but it does have coconut oil in it. It's supposed to have, it's for dry, coarse, frizzy hair. I have some of those things. The ends of my hair are very dry because I bleach them and use heat on them regularly. And then I do have somewhat frizzy hair. And this is supposed to smooth, soften, and hydrate your hair. Use on damp hair or dry hair, air dry, or blow out. So I guess it's just supposed to be a universal product. This is something I actually will use. I'm really excited about it. Just to see. Oh, it smells good too. Oh. Just to see how it works and how it helps my hair. I'm always interested in trying new hair products, and I like that I can get it in a Boxycharm too, because IGK is expensive. This is $29, and I like to spend money on makeup, and I will spend money on hair care, but when Ulta has its hair events, that's when I buy hair care, because I don't know, I haven't found anything that like really makes or breaks how my hair cooperates. Like, I haven't found it products except for dry shampoo and I guess hairspray, which are the two big ones. So I'm always open to try new things. But let me get my phone and add all this up. For Boxycharm, it's a monthly subscription. It's $21 a month, and you get 4, sometimes 5 full-size products that are beauty related. They can be makeup, hair, skin, all that good stuff. And it's really totally worth it, in my opinion, I think. And then every 3 months, 4 times a year, September, December, March, and June. Yeah. Okay. I had to think because it's every so often. I think it's June, maybe July. I think it's June. You get Boxyluxe, and it's an upgrade that you can do. It's $28 additional dollars. But the price of the box jumps up from $100 in value to, it's supposed to be over $250 in value. So we're about to see what that is. Some of these are big ticket items that I don't know if they're really worth that much, especially in my opinion, for me personally. But, oh, I did some math wrong there. Hold on. It was saying it was like $2,000, and I was like, that's not right. So the value of this month's box is $311. My box in particular, I know that there were some variations with some Sunday Riley skincare in there, which are awesome. I know there were some with the Tarte Clay Play eyeshadow and face palette, and some other stuff, Too Faced, I think. But yeah, I mean, overall, this box was worth it for me, and it was super exciting because it's September and my birthday month. So I was super excited that it was a Boxyluxe month. I am honestly most excited about the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzing Palette, the Glow Recipe Pineapple Seed Brighten Serum, obviously on a skincare kick, and the Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. I am the most excited for those. That's going to do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. There will be a link down below that if you want to sign up for Boxycharm, you totally can. All that happens when you use that link is that I get points, which can be used to redeem for free product or whatever. But you also get points in addition for using my link, as well as for signing up for Boxycharm. So that's it for this month in Boxyluxe. Thank you guys so much for being here. I really do appreciate it, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.